We're gonna do a global search. From the study research screen, notice the global search icon right here, the magnifying glass. Click that. And in here, it say at least type 2 characters to do a search. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna type Christian. Nothing happens when you type one character. Next character, it automatically starts filling out with what it found. But we're gonna just go ahead and give it Christian. So that way, we ensure that it finds all of them. So here, Christian knows it found some up under the Bible study display, found Christians up under BHI for Black Hebrew Israelites. So everywhere I found it up on the CS Christian Science, just kinda give you. So no matter what it was in, it was on the Freemasons. Right? So you can see, so we found those up under there. And so now you can select any one of your choosing. To view the report. So we're gonna select the first one. Are Christians under a curse if they don't tithe? Malachi 3, 9 and 10. Let's click that. Notice it generates the report. And just as before, you got some options up here at the top to listen, to email, and to share. Notice, remember, we talked about this same as all the reports are geared the same. In this one, for this particular topic, there's 2 items in it. Just to kinda show you, see the one with the on it. If I come down there, you see it too. So now, you can listen to the report just like before. Bible subjects. False teachings and to stop it are Christians under it. Right. Same thing before. You can email it, remember, you can select to print it, or you can save it as a PDF. Let's get out of here. Your share is where you're actually getting your email at. And, again, like I said, depending on the apps you got on your device, that would determine what all you can do with it. We're gonna get out of that. And, again, let's see. Go down to the bottom screen so I can show you there's no URLs attached. If it had to be in, that would have been one down in this area that you could have clicked in. Right. And then don't forget to use your up and down or your arrows. Alright, let's go back to back, and you're back where you were. Now here's the good thing for when you do a global search. So now notice you got another area on your home screen. It says real recent global searches, and remember all those that it pulled up? You got an option to still review this as long as you don't log out of your session. As long as you don't log out, that information is still available. And I'll just click on what Christian presidents say same-sex marriage should be legal, and there go that report on that. Now this one has an open source. On this Wednesday, the President of the United States now coming forward and saying he supports equal rights when it comes to marriage. He spoke with ABC News just a little while ago. Take a listen. Just a little while ago. I have to tell you, as I said, I've been going through an evolution on this. Bear with me. So to get back. Because right now we're out on the Google Drive. Just to get back, go back to your screen. And I really could have closed the Google because remember, it went off and went to the Google Drive to show that report. And so you're back to your main screen and just click back, and you're back at the report. And again, just to show you also, remember the recent views, all those things up under this. So in other words, you ain't gotta go back and recreate nothing because if you was doing some work or doing a teaching, you don't have to get out and come back in on anything that you went in. As long as you don't close that session out, notice you got your reviews. Just try to say your recent view. Remember what you looked at under the global, your recent global search. All those are right there in front of you, and so now I could clear this and for the sake of just to show you, I'll clear that. Alright. Recent views, at this time, you don't change. We might at a later date add that, but right now, we don't want that on there. And again, you still got access to the recent topics. Okay, so let's close out.